When compared to Hindi, English is a very difficult language to learn. Hindi is 100% phonetic, unlike English. So to make this process simpler, Anandaya Foundation has created books to break down the technique of learning. And this makes it simple and easy for the child to read. All these books make it very simple and easy for the child to read, but breaking down the technique is very necessary. If your library has been created by the Anandaya Foundation, you will find all these books there. So once the child is reading the CBC words and the sentences in the storybook, we are ready to move on. And the next stage is to teach him blends. And the best way to start blends is by using these books. Now I'm going to show you how these books look from inside. These books cannot be read by the child, but the teacher will use these books to introduce the blends to the child. Let me show you how the books look from inside and how you can work with these books with the child. Star. What is the first sound you hear when I say the word star? Stir. Steps. What is the first sound you hear when I say the word steps? Stir. Station. What is the first sound you hear when I say the word station? Stir. Similarly, stop. Then we have the spur words, and this is how we keep going. So this book is only to introduce the child to listening to the blends. We have a number of these blends covered in 8 of these books, which you can use for the child to start listening to the blends. Thank you. To purchase Anandaya Foundation books, email to reachus@anandayafoundation.org. For digital books and the tutorials, visit www.anandayafoundation.org.